that isn't Victor the Vermin.
Tying anyone up who crossed him and leaving them to rot.
Wow. He's good.
Once upon a time in a faraway land, Bo Black and Luke White are seeking fame and fortune, but find something else.
Welcome to Valadeville!
About me,
A town in the midst of an identity crisis.
all for me, for me. Oh, the word
Holy bunnies!
alacrity. It's just a bunny. Shoe bunny, shoe bunny.
And when the town is terrorized,
Someone in here said I am French. I want to know who.
our would-be heroes save the day. Well, not exactly save. More like interrupt. But luckily there was a girl to save him.
I won't give the time of day when he's near.
Promised to save the town, and now it's his. Leave.
He can pull on my heart. He will find it's too hard. Once removed, time will prove he was never here.
Hey, Luke. The next time you clean our guns, go ahead and throw the bullets in there.
Pardon me.
Hey, watch it, cowboy. It's time to saddle up.